Hello, young artists. Thanks for coming today. Today we're going to draw a cartoon owl. Hoot hoot!
When Bear draws, you can too.
Hey, I love drawing birds. I'm going to show you how you can draw an owl today with some super easy steps. But first, let's go over some supplies. Today I'm going to do my drawing with a Sharpie, and then I'm going to color with color pencils. You can use anything that you have to color, pastels, crayons, markers, and if I'm going too fast for you, you can pause the video or come back and watch it again. Hey, remember, when Bear draws, you can too. Let's get started. So I think for my owl, I'm going to draw my owl here in the middle, and then up in the corner, I'm going to add a moon, and I'm going to have the owl sitting on a branch. And then I think when we color it, we're going to do a darker sky and lighten it up as it goes down. So let's first draw the owl's eyes. I'm going to start with 2 circles. All right, let's give our owl a beak. I'm going to draw 2 lines that come down and form a V. And let's put some pupils in our owl's eyes here. And I'm going to do 2 circles. One like here, and one here just like that. And let's give him a highlight. All right, let's draw the top of our owl's head, and what I want to do is I want to come up right off the middle here, and I'm going to find a midpoint. I'm going to put a little dot right there. I'm going to turn my drawing over like this, and I think what I want to do is I'm going to curve a line up and out this way, and a line out this way. I'm going to bring those in together right here at this point here. But I'm going to put just some textures and come in, meet it here, and meet it right there. Now let's draw his body. I think what I'll do is I'll put a little mark down here for the bottom of his body, so we know where to stop the mark. And I think what we'll do is I'm going to draw, come down off of here. I'm going to just give him some textures, show that he has some feathers. And I'm going to round this here. I'm going to do the same coming off the side here. Put some textures for his feather and start to round this off. Just like that. And what I can come back and do is just come in and draw a couple more lines. For some more feathers. And let's give him some feet. For 1 foot. And for his other foot. Let's come up here and maybe add some smaller lines. For some more texture. And let's put our owl, and let's sit him on a branch. So I'm going to come up here, and I'm just going to have a little bit of texture on my line here, and come across here. I might have a little branch, comes up, and then another wider branch that comes up here just like that. And I'm going to bring another line down for here, I'll bring that out here. And then we're going to just come right across underneath. Just add some variation to your line. Looks good. So there he is. I think what we'll do here, coming off the bottom, I'll just draw another line. We'll draw a little leaf. So there he is. There's our owl. Now let's come up here to the top and just curve, make a curved line right around the bottom, like this. And we'll put some circles in here for our moon. Just like that. Hey, looks pretty good. Now the fun part, let's add some color. Great job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Hey, stay in touch, subscribe, or visit my website, beardraws.com. Remember, art is awesome. Get outside in nature and just keep drawing. See you next time.
So just keep drawing.